What's up, guys? We got some match attacks today. Got quite a few to go. In the first pack, yeah.
I did go for my spelling, but I have to do one more today.
I'm not Carlia. Poopy. Got goalie, bitch. Got him, don't know who he is. We got Tony Cruz. Let's go. Bro, look at that card, bro. It's fire. Let's go. Bro, what is... Oh my... I got Nacho. Nacho cheese. Look, there's yellow. Yep. Yeah. I'm just doing a video of me opening my packs. I like doing that. Declan. Oh my god. 93 Declan. Oh my god. 93 Declan Rice. Man of the match. Signature shot.
Who's that?
Declan Rice.
Hi guys, hi.
It's just me, Eve.
Oh.
You done?
It's YouTube.
No. Eve, go away. Thank you. First pack done. On to the second pack. I'm just opening my packs, Mum. Alright, God. Nothing. Oh. Liverpool. Guess. Oh my god. Oh my god. They just keep on coming, don't they? Oh, I've got these cards already. How? Him. Don't know. Him. Also don't know. Sebastian Ruud. God knows. Gabriel. Arsenal. Let's go. It's decent. Next one. Oh, that was a good rip. Not gonna lie. Up card. Poo poo. Sorry about that. That card. Don't know who he is. It's pretty cool. Oh, McAllister. I'm not gonna lie, that's kind of decent though. Like seriously, McAllister's quite good to be fair. I gotta admit. Wittner, he's decent. He's not. He's half decent. Solid though. Him. Alessandro Bastoni. I've heard of him. Decent. Oh my god. Sorry about that. Oh my god, what a good card. 88 defense Rodri. Look at that. Baller, let's go. What a card. Fire that. Fourth pack. I don't know what pack to do now. I think it's my fourth. That card, poo poo. Him. God knows. 80 attack. Decent. Sorry about that. What is the... Oh my god. Young. Let's go. That's decent to be fair. I'm not going to complain.
Bobby?
Yeah.
Still on the video?
Yeah, I'm opening my card still.
Who've you got?
A lot of good ones. Can you go away, please? I want to open them in peace. I'm opening my packs, Mum! I'm opening my packs! My packs!
No, do that after spellings for me, please.
8 attack. Allison and Edison. What is with this, man? Fam. Last pack, then I'll have to go do my homework. Marco Royce. Not gonna complain. That's probably one of the best cards I got. Hummels. Bit bad. Jose Lu. Half decent. Harvey Elliott was decent, I'd say. Not the best card in the world. Bit poo-poo. They just keep on coming, I swear. Look at that. Right, oh my god. Right. See you in a bit, guys. I'll come in the last 2 packs. See you in a bit. Peace.